welcome to the design notes that we have for the 20-inch Micargi Hero lowrider cruiser. This is a really cool bike. I'm about 6 foot, and with that seat propped up about halfway, I sit comfortably on this thing. The rear torque on this is amazing because of the small wheel diameter, and you get up to about 15-20 miles an hour, no problem, right away, almost to the point where you could possibly pop a wheelie. Now, of course, your top end speed is going to taper off due to the diameter of the rear wheel, but overall this is just for cruising and having fun. So a couple notes. First off, I have the Beach Cruiser front brake, which I added on here onto the spring fork. Typically it's just a rear coaster brake, but I love the extra brake and the extra stoppage power, so this is a 110 millimeter reach cruiser brake. You need to make sure that you get the cruiser front brake, otherwise it's not wide enough to clear the fender, and that's where you'll get into problems. So we have a lot of space in between the fender and the brake, so I'm able to clasp that brake and stop. I had to elongate the kill switch slightly, just an extender due to the monkey bars, well, ape hangers. I call them monkey bars because they're mini ape hangers. But I had to elongate the kill switch. The mounting was the standard engine adapter, fit nicely and snug. As you can see, I still have room, at least a finger width. No complication with the spark plug coming in between the two beams of the frame of the bike. Now I used an offset intake. I didn't like how close the carb set to the frame of the bike, so right in the straightaway in the middle of the offset intake, I cut it. I elongated it about an inch, and then I coupled it together with a fuel grade hose. So that gave me just enough room to where this does not hit the frame. I'm able to get in there and change the idle screw when need be with no hesitation, no problem. Once again, had no problem getting on that stock 44.2 sprocket on the 20-inch wheel. Typically these kits say 24 to 26-inch wheels. Had no problem getting that 20-inch wheel to fit that sprocket adapter. So beyond that, pretty straightforward build. Hopefully this video helps. Have fun and ride safe, everyone. This is Mark with Southern Custom CC. Be sure to like and subscribe.